Hello all and welcome back to Jolly Good Journeys. Today's adventure brings me to San Juan, the capital of the US territory of Puerto Rico. Join me in exploring this historic city. Let's go. As our cruise ship glides into the harbor, the majestic Castillo San Felipe del Morro dominates the skyline. Its towering watchtowers and ramparts a testament to over 250 years of Spanish defense against pirates and invaders. Perched 140 feet above the Atlantic, El Morro has guarded San Juan Bay since 1539, surviving sieges and hurricanes while blending Taino roots with colonial might. This UNESCO fortress welcomes us to San Juan, Puerto Rico's vibrant capital, oldest city under the US flag, pulsing with colorful streets and Caribbean energy. Now we are diving into action on Calle La Princesa, a bustling pedestrian street lined with food trucks serving up fresh empanadas, piraguas, and tropical treats, perfect for fueling our adventure. The air buzzes with laughter, salsa rhythms, and the sizzle of street food, capturing San Juan's lively soul where locals and visitors mingle under swaying palms. This avenue, once a vital colonial corridor, now pulses with an authentic Puerto Rican flavor. Wandering these iconic cobblestone streets of Old San Juan feels like stepping into a living postcard. Narrow alleys, flanked by pastel colonial buildings dating back to the 16th century. Every corner reveals wrought iron balconies and hidden patios whispering tales of Spanish conquistadors and Taino roots. It's the perfect off the beaten path vibe for soaking in the city's UNESCO heritage. Up ahead, the mighty El Morro emerges into full view, its massive ramparts glowing against the sky. A UNESCO World Heritage Site that's withstood sieges, hurricanes, and time itself. These walls stretch over 1400 feet, once armed with cannons to protect the harbor from invaders. The anticipation builds as we get closer to this engineering marvel. Approaching the castle's grand entrance, the sheer scale hits you. The dry moats, drawbridges, and 6 levels of barracks and tunnels designed for 700 soldiers. Built starting in 1539, it symbolizes Puerto Rico's resilient spirit and now welcomes explorers like us to climb its towers for epic ocean vistas. History literally surrounds us here. Look at this confident iguana strutting the castle grounds like a sentinel. Puerto Rico's native rock iguanas are thriving comeback kings after near extinction. He owns this spot amid the ancient stones, a reminder of the island's wild side blending seamlessly with its historic heart. Nature's guard on duty. Hugging the periphery of El Morro's walls, the Atlantic crashes dramatically on one side, while the fortress's weathered limestone walls rise on the other. A thrilling edge of the world walk. These battlements offer postcard views of the bay, crashing waves, and distant cruise ships, evoking centuries of seafaring drama. The salty breeze and endless horizon make this a highlight. Check out this adorable cat I spotted along the path. He's a total sweetheart, letting me give him a gentle pet without a care in the world. Pure island magic in a quick encounter. And now, another hilarious wildlife moment. An iguana cautiously passes by a chill cat perched on a ledge who couldn't care less, like they're old neighbors with an unspoken truce. Puerto Rico's urban wildlife coexists in these quirky scenes, turning a simple path into a nature documentary. Too cute not to capture. Emerging from the streets, next comes into view Castillo San Cristobal, the Caribbean's largest Spanish fortress, sprawling over 27 acres with devilish tunnels and massive garritas. Built in the 17th century to guard the land side, it's a fortress within a fortress, full of secret passages and panoramic city views. Another historic powerhouse awaits. This beast defended San Juan for over 250 years. Its multi-level design, a masterpiece of military engineering. Threading through San Juan streets, we are surrounded by candy-colored walls, vibrant blues, yellows and pinks, with windows adorned in lace curtains, potted plants, and quirky decorations that scream Puerto Rican pride. These facades hide family-run cafes and artisan shops, embodying the city's artistic, resilient heartbeat. Pure eye candy. As the cruise ship pulls away at night, our San Juan adventure has come to an end. San Juan's lights twinkle like a jeweled crown against the dark sea. Old town's forts silhouetted, buildings glowing, and the whole city bidding us adios with salsa beats fading in the distance. What an unforgettable day exploring this historic gem. Thank you once again for joining Jollywood Journeys. Until next time, adios.